everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel, and today I'm going to show you how to line a round cake pan with parchment paper. So to begin, we're going to take our piece of parchment paper, place our cake pan on top, and then draw around with a pen or marker. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut out our circle. And once that's done, you just want to grease the bottom and sides of your pan. You can use butter, spread, or spray oil for this. Just make sure that you cover all the areas within the pan. And then you pop your parchment circle in and your pan is ready for you to pour your cake batter in, and this will prevent your cake from sticking to the pan once it's baked. Thanks for watching!